Welcome to INTERCLEAN Online, our monthly series of webinars to keep you up to speed on the challenges and opportunities the cleaning and hygiene industry is currently facing. Each month, we'll deep dive into a specific segment or market and learn from experts how they see the developments in our sector. Of course, you'll have plenty of time to raise your questions or to ask for advice from these experts. This month, we'll be focusing on disinfection and green cleaning. The reason and need for disinfection has of course become very clear in the last few months, and we'll be looking at a not so common tool to disinfect entire facilities at once. And secondly, we'll look at how we can take into account the environment by disinfecting with sustainable and green chemicals. Is Andrea Chiappori. He is also from Italy and he works for Sutter Industries. Sutter is a family-owned business that has been producing solutions for the cleaning industry for already 5 generations. The family sees the company as an asset that they are just managing for future generations, just like the environment. And that's why they believe you need to look after the environment just like you would take care of your company and family. And at the heart of that strategy is Andrea. He is technical scientific manager responsible for green chemistry.
Today we want to introduce our green line and the process that took us to conceive it. The first question we asked to ourselves when we started the project of a green line was the aim and the meaning of green chemistry. We found that the aim of green chemistry is first to reduce the chemical-related impact on human health. And the second important point is to eliminate, or better to prevent, the contamination of the environment through dedicated and sustainable prevention program. We knew that green chemistry is based on principle, exactly 12 principles that were set up about 30 years ago. And we knew that implementing these 12 principles, we could have real green products. In particular, we realized that some of them could be easily related to the world of professional cleaning, because normally the 12 principles of green chemistry include all branches of chemistry, and only some of them could be related to the world of cleaning. In particular, we can find some of the principles that were interested for our world. And first was to create a product that could reduce. The first point is the waste prevention. So to create products that could reduce the amount and the quality of the waste. Another important point among these principles is designing and projecting chemicals safer than traditional products. Another important point is the energy efficiency. So product more efficient on the point of view of the energy compared with the traditional product. One point is the use of renewable feedstocks. And another point is to conceive products designed for degradation. To make through these 12 principles, the principle interested for the cleaning world, took us to create first an internal sustainable cleaning product research and development. And second point, to identify a list of chemicals of concern both for health impact and for impact on the environment that were be used to formulate professional cleaning products. And the process started with the formulation, or better, the reformulation of a full line of professional cleaning products to eliminate the chemical of concern and introduce safer chemicals, naturally without any compromise for performance. That was the clear request of the players of our market. So, summarizing the difference between traditional products and that are sustainable green products, we can say first that the traditional products are composed by raw materials that are derived from oil and new renewable sources, and the sustainable products are composed using readily renewable materials, for example, surfactants called alkyl polyglucoside that are derived from corn and potatoes, or other components as ethyl alcohol and lactic acid coming from sugar beet fermentation. Also, traditional products become waste at the end of their life, and sustainable products, thanks to the use of renewable sources, become technical nutrients rather than waste at the end of their life cycle, and also because they have a full biodegradability. We tried to also introduce a new approach in the managing chemical risk, because the old approach is reducing exposure to an acceptable level. We try to overcome this approach and to set up a new approach to avoid any possible risk for human health, using our limit threshold even lower than what established by regulation, so that we got to have products without phosphate, without nickel, chrome, and without a preservative as a paraben. Another very important point is that traditional products normally require personal protection equipment because they have a classification, they have a hazard. Our products, sustainable products, do not require personal protection equipment or special safety procedures to be implemented, and it is a point very appreciated by our customers. And even if they have a classification according to CLP, the washing solution, which is used by end users, is not classified as not any type of hazard. Another important point is also the energy efficiency, because normally traditional products are manufactured using cheap components that need to be used, for example, in warm water, or that they need a lot of rinsing water to be removed from surfaces. Our green products are designed and produced to be energy efficient throughout the life cycle, and they can be used, for example, laundry products can be used in cold water, or they don't need excessive water rinsing if used on surfaces. Another important point is, given I have always, again, problem in going on with the slides, but another important point is the packaging, because everybody knows the role on the planet of plastic, on the waste in general of packaging materials. So the traditional products have no care for waste of packaging and in general transport pollution, and our products are designed and produced first with concentrated formulation, avoiding the transport of water, and so avoiding also pollution of the air. And after, with packaging with different solutions. First, packaging with at least 1% of recycled material, refillable packaging, or water-soluble packaging, according to the request to our customer. Another important point we have to face is the reliability of product features, because in worldwide there are a lot of players on the market that have claim of green products without any evidence, and we decided to give to our products, when possible, in the majority of cases, for the majority of products, the label, the UE Eco Label. And we arrived to have today, as we will see after, 44 products with the UE Eco Label. So following this path, which was quite long and difficult also, we have created a complete line that gives to the professional users the opportunity of using green products for cleaning any type of surface and environment. So we have products for floors, products for housekeeping, products for cleaning toilets, for kitchen and food business, and also cosmetic green products for washing hands. And starting in 2015 with only 4 products of the part of the zero line, we arrived today to have a zero line composed with product based on vegetable raw materials. There are 26 products of zero lines, and in our catalog completing 44 products with UE Ecolabel. That says, in a few words, the history of our green line and our commitment with the green line. Thank you for your attention.